my channel. Today I am joined by the wonderful Ailey Sutherland Photography.
Hello!
And her two doggies, Baraka and Torin. I wasn't sure if you were going to say their names. Ailey commented on my last video when I asked if anyone had any other tutorials they'd like me to film. And she asked me for a nice easy updo.
For people that couldn't do hair, i.e. me.
No judgment. So I pulled her aside today, her and her doggies, to show you how to do a really quick, easy curly look when you have no products, no equipment. I'm spitballing. Yeah, just things you might have lying about, but something that's super easy for all abilities. I really hope you enjoyed the video. We have definitely had fun making it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.
So start off with your hair just slightly damp, just enough that you know it will be dry by the next day if you're doing this at night time. If you're doing this during the day, you should be able to do it with just dry hair, but I personally would recommend just having it slightly on the damp side. Now what you want to do is find yourself a nice headband, nothing too tight, nothing that's going to be uncomfortable if you are sleeping on this overnight. And what you want to start doing is just picking up small sections and wrapping them round the headband. Now, of course, it's going to look easy, someone else doing it for you, but trust me, it's very simple to do yourself. You'll be able to figure it out in minutes, I promise. Don't worry about being too neat, but just make sure that all the hair is getting wrapped round evenly. Then what you want to do is you want to leave it to dry. Like I mentioned a wee second ago, you can do this overnight so you can sleep on this. Or if you do this during the day, by night time it'll be nice and curly. For us filming, we put her under a hooded dryer. So this is now the end result. So I'm just taking away the headband nice and softly, not to kind of distress any of the curls. And you can see that she's left with this beautiful, natural, non-damaging to your hair curl, which she was very happy with.